safe.
Anyways, isn't it?
Sorry?
Goes where it wants anyway.
Kind of, yeah.
You're safe.
Which one? Right or left?
The right one.
Okay.
The flap at the bottom. That's it.
That's got a big 90 video playing way side there. I think you get him. Yeah, that's it.
They're hill climbers or something. Shoot them.
Exactly, they need those.
Do these things have wheels to them?
They do, yeah. Did you got that?
Keep them right after hours.
Go down, yes,
Oh,
okay,
yes.
That's it. Did you pen paper operating?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Straight over?
Yeah, straight over and up the hill.
Find the woods. Yeah,
Is that little buzzard?
Yeah.
I could do that in the news, probably.
You just want a flat field, easy.
I
Easy
know,
if you want.
but
Jump
mate,
in. That's just fine.
like,
No, you got shit now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go round the left. So?
That's why they put it done with this. It's like in quarry, like Radley Picks. This is like Radley Picks sort, but not actually. That's why I take that.
That's in the whole quarry. The whole quarry is good. That's what you think of it.
Yeah.
Just move about. Go round to the left. Just where we're pleased. The lookout. Keep an eye on your front drive side wheel.
Look at that, perfect.
Straight on?
Going up
Or
over
left?
there.
Okay. There, yeah?
Yeah, just follow the tracks up, yeah.
I'm going to say, this is too tiny.